The widespread bank failures during the Great Depression were primarily attributable to what factor? 1. Large-scale consumer spending. 2. Overextension of credit and unsound banking practices.
Overextension of credit and unsound banking practices. The widespread bank failures during the Great Depression were primarily caused by a combination of overextended credit and unsound banking practices. Banks had made numerous risky loans, often with inadequate collateral or to borrowers with questionable creditworthiness. This created a highly leveraged system, meaning that even a small downturn in the economy could trigger a cascade of defaults. Furthermore, many banks lacked sufficient capital reserves to absorb losses, and their accounting practices were often lax, obscuring the true extent of their risk exposure. When the economy contracted sharply in the early 1930s, the resulting wave of defaults overwhelmed the banking system, leading to mass closures. The lack of regulation and oversight exacerbated the problem. Large-scale consumer spending, while certainly a factor in the overall economic climate, doesn't directly explain the bank failures. Consumer spending contributed to the boom preceding the crash and the subsequent bust, but the bank's internal vulnerabilities were the direct cause of their collapse.